Here's a demo of the RCS client we put together using the Remix platform. So on the left, we're looking at a tool we put together that allows us to manage our conversations between our messaging service and an end user who's receiving the messages. So let's say I want to send out a message to the end user, which is my phone here on the right. And let's say I want to send out some content. So what we're currently looking at is a set of experiences that we put together. I'm going to send out the first one, which is called Suggested Products. And this is just an e-commerce experience we put together where you can shop for tequila. I send out the content, and now let's just wait for it to arrive on my device here. Okay, cool. The content has arrived. I can actually open this, and you'll notice on the left that it logs my interaction of opening the experience. It hasn't come in. There it is. And now on the right, what we're currently looking at is an app we put together, which is the shopping experience for tequila. And this app comes with a DB built in. All of our apps built on the Remix platform have a DB built in, which allows you to essentially manage state on essentially on the edge, right? So let's say I want to add this Don Julio into my cart. Now let's say that I close that out. And let's say I change my mind. I want to go back in here and add something else to my cart. I add this Bozal tequila into my cart. And I can add that to my cart, close this out, and I can always revisit it. And all of that information, the state of my cart stays the same. And this is just a single screen example, but this app can easily be extended. It could be a full-fledged shopping experience if we wanted to, right? If we wanted to navigate into going into checkout and taking in payment information, we can definitely do that. Now, the next example I have is a scheduling flow. So let's say I have an end user who needs to book a call with me. I can always send them out a scheduling experience. I send out this scheduling experience. Now we just wait for it to arrive on the phone. Now I open the scheduling experience. And again, this is another app that we put together. And now this app is going to show the multi-screen example, right? So I can select a screen or a day here to book a meeting. And now I get navigated into this screen. Now let's say I want to book some time slot, let's say the 11 a.m. time slot. Sounds good. And now we here are in another screen here where we're just capturing information about the end user. I book this meeting. And now all of this data we're storing in our own DB, but all of this data can also be sent out. And let's say, for example, we wanted to add this event into the organizer's calendar to inform them that this person has booked a meeting. We can easily do that using the Google Calendar REST API.